What's today's date?
Let me see.
Oh no! That's 5 days to Christmas. Our customers would want their shoes ready by Christmas Eve.
When the old man and his wife were talking, two adorable little elves walked past their homes.
I'm not as energetic and fast as before. I'm afraid I won't be able to finish making all these shoes.
I think so too. I don't know anything about making shoes. If only there were extra pair of hands to help you.
Yes, if only.
Well, it's getting late. Let's sleep it off and start tomorrow. It's going to be a brand new day.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
I know exactly what you are thinking.
So they started making shoes happily. The elves really enjoyed making them, but they were a little noisy that it disturbed the couple's sleep.
Did you hear giggling?
Yes, I do.
Is that an intruder?
I hope not.
The elves packed the shoes hurriedly, and as they were about to leave, to their surprise, they shrieked,
Elves! Merry Christmas!
The old man and his wife could not believe what they saw, but they were very grateful for the help.
Be careful what you wish for, everyone. Your dreams may come true. Only if you have been a good kid.